Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can block Snapchat app using Face ID. Friends, subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And in order for you to be able to block the Snapchat app via Face ID on your iPhone, you'll need to go to the Shortcuts app. Then down here at the bottom of the trace, tap on Automagic. Then either in the middle of the screen or at the top on the right side, tap Add New. Now scroll down a little bit and click on App. Then next to the word App, click Select. Swipe down and find Snapchat. Click on it. Next, it's done. Now you will need to select the second option right here. After that, also in the top right corner, click Next. Now click on this gray box right here. Add action. And in the search box, type in the word screen time. Click on it. Now click on Done. And now friends, in order to sign into Snapchat, you will need to use Face ID. Let's say if I want to log into Snapchat now, I won't be able to do so unless I unlock through Face ID this app or through a password. Friends, this is how you can lock Snapchat with Face ID while adding more privacy to it. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.